Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by UNiceHair, and they sent me this pre-cut ready to wear easygoing wig. When I tell you this wig was easygoing, literally all I did was just put it on my head, hot comb it, define the curls, and that's it. You don't have to do baby hairs if you don't want to, but I end up doing baby hairs. But apart from that, it's literally ready to go. One of the easiest wigs to install. But before we jump into the installation process of this video, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So of course they sent the wig. This is their HD lace pre-cut ready to go wig. I think this is 5x5. The parting space is, I think it's 5x5, 24 inches, a curly wig. So this is the wig that they sent to me. And inside the package, they sent, ooh, okay. Okay, so inside the package, they sent me some stocking cap, and these are the HD wig cap. As you guys can see, very thin. I didn't use these because I'm not gluing my wig down, because again, this is a glueless ready to go wig, so you don't need to use any glue or any form of spray, not like that, unless again you're doing baby hairs. But apart from that, you don't have to do anything to this wig. Pretty much just put it on. So I didn't use the stocking cap, but I did get two packs of the HD lace stocking cap. 2 packs of the HD stocking cap. They sent me their UNice headband, which if I'm going to sleep and I want to keep the wig on, I have a choice of keeping it on by using the headband. But really and truly, you can literally take it off when you're going to your bed and put it back on in the morning, because it's that easy to install. I don't know what this is. I think this is probably like a makeup brush or something to do makeup, but yeah. They sent this inside the package, and they also sent me some lashes, which I'm always in my extensions, so I don't really need to wear it. But if you guys love lashes, then you will definitely get one inside the package. Now that is it for the packaging. I'ma just jump straight into the installation of this wig, so you guys can see how easy it was to install this pre-cut and ready to go wig.
Junior watching, I've been your man. I be on my tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching I be on my Junior watching I be on my tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching I be on my Junior watching I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching I be on my Junior watching I be on my all summer, all summer, 4-5 dollars in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours like we planned it. Junior watching I be on my Junior watching I be on my tell him this. Did he miss? Junior watching I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching I be on my 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took off, we took off, we took off, we took off. Born in Atlanta, now Montana. Excuse my manners, I got standards. Excuse my manners, I got standards. I got status. You want status? See more comments, and I see commas. They going tell me, we going down to. Let me be honest. Let me be honest. I went with the Bucks, boy. Let me be honest. I went with the Bucks, boy. Spirit is on us. Spirit is thunder. God's time can't fit on the wrist. Junior wanna have me on my move out of the way of my release. Trying to get me off my Q's and P's. Watch it. Why can't losers never lose in peace? Watch it. Ain't nobody around me losing sleep. Better find God before he find me. Tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one I'm really, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting closer. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die.
crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and
and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, this is their 5x5 HD lace pre-cut ready to go wig. If you guys would love to purchase this wig, then definitely check the links down in the description box. But for now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.